Can learn how to trade for free. I started for free. $2,000 Thursday, and it's 8:45. Not bad. I can show up for 2 hours and not take a trade. That's major discipline. I couldn't do that before. I know I can do it now, but it's still a process. I'm still working on it day by day. Everything happens when it's supposed to. You may not feel like it in the moment, but everything happens when it's supposed to, how it's supposed to. Know what I'm capable of. I've made a lot of money online. I've made a lot of money trading. I've built so many different businesses. Lost it all, make it all back. I'm gonna do anything. I'm not worried about it. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We back and active. Today, we're not gonna be taking no trades. Today is a disciplinary day. So as you guys know, I have a rule that keeps me from over-risking, keeps me from losing too much money, keeps me from making too much money. You gotta manage risk in every aspect when it comes to trading, because this is a business where defense is key. Making sure I can trade tomorrow is key. Making sure I have enough money to take another trade is key. So when I have 2 winning trading days, consecutive winning days, meaning I win one day, and the next day I win also, the third day I have to take a day off. And that works. Today is Thursday. I could take today off and still trade tomorrow. So that's perfectly fine. But guess what? We're still going to be active with the team. We're still going to show up with the team. We're going to look at the charts, and we're going to practice not taking a trade. If I could show up for 2 hours and not take a trade, that's major discipline. I couldn't do that before. I know I can do it now, but it's still a process. I'm still working on it day by day. The days like this that come around, this is the days that test me to see if I can do it. Because guess what? If I can do this, I can do anything. And if you can be disciplined, you can make money in any industry, not just trading. You can make money in anything. You can become fit. Discipline is something you got to take everywhere. So that's what the goal is today with this trading session. Let's hop on the team. Let's see what we can do. And let's get value. Now, we're not going to make money trading, but we're going to overall get experience and give value to the team. All right, just got done the session. It was a smooth session. I didn't do no trading. I told you guys, today is not a trading day. I'm not trading today. I won the last 2 days. It was a disciplinary session. So, as you can see with what time it is, it's 11 o'clock. We just went an hour and a half, 2 hours. I did not take a trade. The markets were trending, so I would be lying if I said I saw a trade to begin with. So today ended up being a little easier day to follow just because I didn't have a trade anyway. So taking a trade wasn't necessarily anything that I was trying to force. But we talked about a lot. I wish I recorded, but we was talking about basically trade lines, everything when it comes to how you can, certain websites you can buy trade lines, how you can use it to get leases, how you can use it to get apartments. We had also talked about this website, basically Swap a Lease, if you guys want to look it up, where you can basically switch leases with people, or you could take over people's leases, and you could do that for exotic cars, Lambos, all those types of things. So we talked a lot about that. VIPs, not just trading. We're here to improve. We're here to benefit each other. We have people that are good at credit, that know a lot about credit, so they were able to, I just hear my dog, they were able to explain it to us and everything. So we going on with the rest of our day. Now it's time to stay productive nonetheless. We got a lot of work to do. The trading is just one portion. You guys already know that. So let's move on. What you doing? You waiting for me, dog? You waiting for me to get out? Are you waiting for me too? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you in bed? What's going on over here? It's 11:09. We about to go get some food. We gotta go to First Watch, and afterwards I'm trying to go to the shooting range. The last 2 times we were gonna go to the shooting range, the ventilation system was fucked up and we couldn't go. But we got 2 passes for a free lane, so we can still go. We're gonna go there. We're gonna bring ours, and we're gonna run a gun there. So that's the plan after we get First Watch. And then from there, you got to go to work, and then that's when the productive part of the day starts. We're going to go to the gym, create more content. That's when all the value is going to be given, but I'm hungry, so let's get that. Look at all this food. Hey. Yo, I didn't say Karina, but you taste and faded. Just a sample to the song by itself, the sample to that song is the best part. I ain't gonna lie, but right now I'm playing this song. I'm in traffic right now on my way to the gym. You know what it is. We about to get this working. We about to get productive. We about to stay busy. I don't got my headphones, unfortunately. So it might be a little bit of a boring workout for me. I ain't gonna lie. I really wanted to listen to this song. Maybe I might just walk to the crib. I just didn't want to walk into the crib, see my dogs, not walk them, and then leave. You know what I mean? I just wanted to kind of go to the gym, then come back and walk them. But we'll see. I do want my headset, and I kind of do want to listen to this song. I feel like it might get me in the mood to go crazy in the gym. And sometimes you got to do that just to get that little extra motivation, extra inspiration. You just got to know yourself, know what's going to make you go. You know what I mean? But overall, no trades today. It's been a smooth day so far. I got breakfast with my girlfriend. She's at work now. Now it's just time to do the work that I didn't do in between because I was spending it with my girlfriend. You got to do that sometimes. You got to have a life balance. If you want to have people in your life, you got to give them time. But if you don't want them in your life, then hey, fuck giving them time. You know what I'm saying? The people that I don't want in my life don't get the time. But the people that I want in my life, they'll get my time. Even if it's not a lot or as much as they want, I try my best to give them what I can. And that's all that matters. Trying my best. If you try your best, nobody can say shit. And if they do say shit, fuck them. Alright, I came home first. I needed my headset, dogs. I'ma still walk you first, though. I got y'all. I ain't gonna do it like that. Come on, let's go for a walk. Oh yeah, y'all excited now, huh? You excited, huh? Once we move, we're gonna go on a whole bunch of walks. What the I think they did a fire thing inspection. That's why that's there. I'm like, why the fuck? Did you put that there? You put it there? Nah, I think so. All right, but I'm about to take them on a walk and then we head into the gym. And I got a little bit of a car talk today. Coming to you guys straight from the car, and we're just gonna be on a little drive. And overall today, it got me thinking, since I didn't take no trades today, when I was just on the charts with the team with VIP, not trading, but just sitting on the charts, observing what was happening, sitting on the charts, looking at what's going on without actually taking a trade, wasn't placing a trade. And I didn't want to take a trade. Like, I knew I wasn't supposed to take a trade, but even when I went to the charts, I didn't really have like the urge to trade, which is definitely growth, because as you guys know, I'm no different than you guys, and I tell you guys that all the time. I've gone through a whole bunch of the bullshit that a lot of you are going through right now. I've gone through a whole lot of the bullshit that you're gonna go through. Everything I tell you guys is because I've gone through stuff and I have experience that has led me to know the answers to certain obstacles. And since I've given other people those answers and it's helped them, I know it's something that can work. It's not something that's just me. It's universal concepts. And I used to not be able to sit on the charts and not take a trade. It was something that I struggled with because I would have the fear of missing out. I was always chasing money. That was the main thing. I was chasing the money, and that was something I had to learn, that chasing the money in trading isn't going to make you more money. You got to understand, you got to be following the process, and that's not going to be easy. Following the process sucks. Following the process consists of back testing to get better, journaling all of your trades, demo trading, not taking no challenges, not depositing live money, basically testing yourself repeatedly, every week, every month, years. I did that for a year and a half, maybe, something like that. I don't know the exact time frame, but I did it for a while. And you got to understand that it's necessary. It is very necessary if you want to get to the next point in your trading, because you got to go through the process of understanding, not trying to make money, not worrying about if you won or lost a trade, worrying about your system, worrying about your risk management, worrying about getting in the habit of listening to your rules, worrying about getting in the habit of being able to be a good, successful trader. Because at the end of the day, trading isn't just about the charts. To be a good trader, you got to understand, you got to have patience, you got to have consistency, you got to have a good edge, meaning a good system, a good strategy. What else? You got to have great risk management. You have to have great emotional control. You need all of these things to be a good trader. Not just understand how the markets work, not just understand how the charts are moving, not just understand the price itself. That's just one piece of it. But if it was that easy, why aren't people so much more successful? Why aren't more traders making more money? Because a lot of us know people that are good on the charts. A lot of us know people that can predict the market. But why aren't more people rich? Because it's deeper than that. And most people don't understand. Like something like today, being able to come to the charts and not take a trade is so important, because guess what? That's showing discipline that not many people have. And what does that tell you? I'm going to be able to get a result that not many people are going to have, because most people can't do what I'm doing. You got to do the work that other people aren't going to do to get the results that other people can't achieve. It's as simple as that. And being able to come to the charts, no matter how you feel, even if you want to take a trade, even if you don't want to take a trade. If you're not supposed to take a trade, don't take a trade. If you're allowed to take a trade, go ahead. But it's a discipline, doing what you're supposed to. Because I remember, I keep telling you guys, back when I was learning to trade, when I was spending no money, back when I was literally only learning, I was only demoing, I was basically learning how to trade for free. You can learn how to trade for free. I started for free. I eventually added money into it, maybe a couple weeks, a couple months into it, but I started to learn to trade for free, all on YouTube, free courses. And if you really want to, you can get people's courses that they charge for free. You just gotta do a little bit of a deep diving, do a little bit of searching, but it's free. I wouldn't charge for a trading course. There's too much information on YouTube that it just wouldn't make sense. Everything else is work that you have to do. You get what I'm saying? Like the work that I just did today, not taking a trade, that's work. That's something that you can do every week, every month, back to back. That's not going to stop. You got to understand. That's something that's going to make you better. Patience. If you can consistently be patient, consistently be disciplined, the money's going to come. Trust me, the money is going to come. Oh, I need a haircut. I ain't going to lie. I think tomorrow I'm going to be getting a haircut. Today, I was going to get a haircut with my boy Steph. He's not available right now. He's not available, unfortunately, but he will be available in about 2-3 days. So we're still going to be woofing for a while. I'm not going to cheat on my barber. No diddy. Sometimes I really be thinking about where I've came from. If you follow me on Instagram, I just posted like a lot of stories essentially showing how much money I've been making the past couple months from all my different incomes. I got like 5-6 different incomes right now. A lot of them being trading related, 2-3 of them being content related. But overall, content and trading is how I make a living, it's how I survive, it's how I do the things I do. It's why you're watching me right now. It's how I'm at the gym right now on a Thursday night. Other people can't do this. There's a reason there's not a lot of people in the gym right now. There's a reason for it. It's not because they all don't want to work out. A lot of them want to work out. I was just talking to the guy that works here, the guy in the maintenance. He's a little bit younger, maybe in his late 20s, early 30s. But he's a younger guy and he be working out. And he was basically just telling me yesterday when I was talking to him in here, he was like, he wants to work out. He likes to work out. Like, he's an in-shape guy. He just doesn't have the time. After he gets done work, he has to go all the way home, which is a 45-minute drive. He has to see his family. He has to eat food. And by that time, it's harder. Most people, they don't have the ability to have the time to be able to do this. That's why learning monetizable skills are so important. Learning high income skills are so important. It's never gonna work for anybody again. Knock on wood. Don't know where this wood, but if it has to happen, if I have to get a job again, that's perfectly fine. I don't care because I know what I'm capable of. I've made a lot of money online. I've made a lot of money trading. I've built so many different businesses multiple times, lost it all, make it all back. I'm gonna do anything. I'm not worried about it. It's just a matter of when I'm going to achieve all my things. But everything happens when it's supposed to. It may not feel like it in the moment, but everything happens when it's supposed to, how it's supposed to. It doesn't feel like it in the moment, but trust me, as time goes on, you appreciate all of it. It's like the gym. You don't appreciate it in the moment when you're working out, but after, you appreciate it later down the line when you realize, damn, I couldn't even run before. Now I can run 2 miles. I can hold my breath for a minute. Things like that. You don't see the results instantly, but all good things take time. Trust me. When I first started trading, I had no money. Years later, I still didn't have much money. Look at me now. That's all I gotta say. It's all been documented. I don't wanna talk too much about it because the videos are there for you guys to watch them. This is like a daily series. You watching me improve, and you can do the same exact thing. I keep on telling you guys this. If I can do it, you can do it too. Let's get this workout on. All right, so for the people that aren't new, for the people that have watched the video before today, as you guys know, the last 2 days before today, I made $2,000. I'm trying to see where the lighting's better. Basically, the last 2 days, the day before yesterday, I made $2,000, and yesterday I made $2,000. I made the withdrawal on video, so you guys can go watch. I think it's 2 videos ago. But today, the money came into the crypto.com account, and I did the withdrawal. I forgot to actually show me like withdrawing the money to my bank account, but you could tell this is my account. I'm also going to show you the email. Then we're going to go right over here to the crypto.com. You can see no cap in there at $2,041 going to my Bank of America account. And just so you know, it's definitely not cap. The Bank of America is right there. You know it's mine. Come on now. So yeah, $2,000, not bad. And today is only Thursday and it's 8:45. Not bad. I'm telling you guys, everything I tell you is for a reason. Everything that I'm doing is what I'm telling you guys to do. There's no cap in my rap. I practice what I preach. And I want you guys to understand that I'm here to help you. I'm here for you. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments. Money, mindset, trading, let me know. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always answering questions. I'm always asking what people need help with. I want to help you. That's why I'm here. I want to show you that it's possible. I want to show you what to do. If you want to be like me, create content, day trade, and be your own boss, let me know. Ask me questions. Join the team. Join the community. I'm here to help you. Trust me. The free course, you already know. I talked about it. I don't want to promote it. You know what's in the free course. It's free. What do I gain from the free course? It's free content for you to learn. Check it out. So with that being said, this is where we're getting the video off. I'm about to go out to dinner. Enjoy this night. $2,000 night. this is what it's all about. But guess what? I just got done the gym. I'm feeling good. About to finish editing this video. Just finished creating content for my other channel. I'm feeling good. I'm about to hit some push-ups too. When you have that motivation, when you have the momentum, keep going. Because I'm telling you, the times that you don't have it, you're going to be like, damn, I wish when I felt good, I wish when I had the inspiration to do that thing, I did it. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow's video. The grind don't stop.